First lentils, mung bean sprouts. You can see right there. Some beet greens, some beets, some fennel right there. Beet stems. Yeah, a little bit of kale. Yeah, and gonna clean this up. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick up my parents' car at some friend's house or whatever, but checking the BMX because it's easy to chuck in the back of the car, so just gonna do that. Got it. That'll take like 20 minutes. We'll see. About to do some laundry. This is like the most epic load. I think this is a week's worth. So, saving water and put on cold tap. Yeah, not so bad. It's the wet clothes for Monday. It's like clothes been wet for like 6 days. So, boom. Definitely a heavy soil. And then, okay, so got all the grains down there. Got some nice open space. I took the aluminum off, and it's actually smelling a little mildewy. So hopefully that dissipates. Brought some stuff I was already preparing. Soaking some mung beans. Then you can sprout them. And then these are some sprouted garbanzo beans, which are ready. Then got the instant pot, pressure cooker, whatever. And then start another meal. Just sort of hungry, just eat. Boom. Just gonna eat that, watch some YouTube, and yeah. Okay, so I just got a salad right here. Got some garbanzo sprouts. Just tried green beets, beet greens, whatever, and then some beets. And got some fennel too, so it's probably gonna be the last thing for today. Just full day of eating, pretty much.